Hi everyone, welcome to my singing assembly. I hope you've been doing a lot of singing at home. I certainly have. I've missed our singing assembly, so I thought we would have them together. Obviously, I usually do one singing assembly at Kimberley Gardens and one at Sketty Road. Today we're going to immerse them together. I'm going to sing one song that I would usually sing at each of those sites, but if you know both of them, of course, join in, and if you know the actions, I'm expecting those too. Okay, so we'll start off with Kimberley Gardens. The first song that I'm going to be singing with you is Good to Be Me. Obviously Kimberley Gardens, you all know this, but Sketty Road you do, so I'm absolutely expecting you to join in too. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. And I want the one to know it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. And I want the one to know it's good to be me. I'm a special person, and there's only one of me. And no one else is prouder of the person that is me. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. And I want the one to know it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. And I want the one to know it's good to be me. I'm a special person, and there's only one of me. And no one else is prouder of the person that is me. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. Groovy moves. Come on, who can be the best? Remember to keep your timing. Okay, here we go. I'm a special person, and there's only one of me. And no one else is prouder of the person that is me. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it's good to be me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, good to be me. 1, 2, 3. Well done, everyone. Okay, so it's Sketty Road. We're going to sing One in a Million. Now the words are going to be up, so obviously anybody who doesn't know this song, the words are there. Feel free to have a go and join in. Year 6, remember those actions that we put together when you were in Year 5. If you're joining in, I'm expecting you to do those with me. Here we go. I am a seed in a meadow, I am a leaf on a tree, I am a rock in a mountain, I am them and they are me. We are the rays of the sunshine, everybody. Well done, good job. Now today has been obviously my choice. I know so many of you love to come and ask me or make requests for particular songs just before singing assembly. So please feel free to do so in either comments, or you can let your class teacher know and they will pass that on to me. So keep singing and look forward to next singing assembly.